Hello, welcome to this CVE Scan presentation. CVE Scan is a tool that supports both scanning and extracting the list of vulnerability applicable to your system, but also managing the life cycle to helping you to know what kind of cybersecurity action and maintenance you will have to do. First, you will have to generate a software bill of materials. You can use our dedicated SBOM generation system. It's bring additional value by adding some specific system configuration, kernel configuration, and file use to build your system. But you can also generate your SBOM on your side with a standard format like SPDX or CycloneDX. Software bill of material is then used in the CVE Scan command line interface, generating the report of all of your vulnerabilities. This report is split in two parts: scanning the inventory. That means extracting from your SBOM all the software packages with the exact version and reviewing all the associated vulnerabilities. And then the second step is named filter report that will do all of our advanced filtering of vulnerabilities based on kernel configuration, already applied patches, and all of our magic sauce to enhance the quality of our report that helps to remove false positives. All these tools are working with the NIST NVD database, OSV database, but also some tracker of vulnerabilities that helps to enhance the quality of our report. This CVE Scan command line interface runs on your local premises to ensure a global confidentiality of this information. After generating the report, you can import it into the CVE Scan web interface that helps to manage the CVE lifecycle. This is the CVE Scan web interface. Let's open Yocto minimalist recent ScareGate image, and we can open this software component to deep dive into the report and understand the potential cybersecurity risk you have on this project. You can find on the top left part a summary of number of vulnerabilities and information about the scan itself. On the bottom part, you find information about the severity level of your vulnerabilities applicable to your system, from very critical to low. When you open this list of vulnerabilities, you can easily classify by score and start managing, usually with the highest score. You can already see that our CVE scanner in the previous step have already detected that some patches are available for some of the vulnerabilities. So let's open these first vulnerabilities and we will find all the detail about the CVE itself. You can find the detail of the vulnerability itself, and here you have the reason of the match. The vulnerabilities is applicable between the version 6.6.9 and 6.6.31. Just below, you find the list of available patches to fix the issue. For this one, the manual work to do is quite simple: to migrate to latest kernel LTS minor version. You have now an action defined, and the system will keep a trace of all your activities. You can easily optimize your maintenance process by sharing the manual activity of vulnerabilities between different software components when they are similar. Thank you for watching. If you want to have a more detailed view on this project, don't hesitate to contact us and we will be happy to make a dedicated demonstration for you.